How to send an Interac e-transfer using Royalbank. I have other bank accounts, but this is a very easy way to send an e-transfer to someone through email. All right, so I'm in my account. We can see over here on the right, there is send an Interac e-transfer, and I'm on savings. I go to Interac e-transfer. You can, put credit line in there from. Now enter the amount you'd like to send to the person. There it is. I'm going to send $60. When is it going to happen? Well, it's right there. Hit submit. And you can throw a name in here of the person you're sending it to and put the email address in here. Obviously, I'm going to blur all of this after the fact. You can put their mobile number in there so they'll get a text. Oh, it wants me to enter a name. So I'm going to throw in Julie. And now, let's hit continue. It can be a bit finicky. I'm going to add them to the payee list so it remembers who I'm sending this money to. Okay, everything's fine there. Hit continue. Okay, now I think I already have her on my list, so that's what that means. Something doesn't seem right. Notify by, please select a notification method. Or maybe, okay, no. Maybe it's just put her phone number in here so she gets the text. Let's try that again. Sometimes if you already have someone saved and you try again, it'll give you a warning. But maybe it's just they want the phone number. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so let's go to adding a security question. Some people's emails are set up so it'll automatically take the money. But if it wants you to do a question, then we will throw in a question and an answer. So then you would text it. Now it charges you $1 to send it by email, the money. And Royalbank is very quick. So she'll get an email in 2 seconds. I hit confirm. Let's try that again. Hit confirm. Okay, here's the issue here. She's already in my payee list. So it's going, well, why is that happening? So we're going to quickly redo this again. There we go. See, now it showed her up in there. And I just had to put Julie and $60 again. Hit submit. And all her information is already in here. So you're learning how to do that too, how to add something to a payee list. And we're going to reuse the security question and answer. And this should do it. We will send the money to Julie. She'll get an email and she can just put in the answer that I'm going to text her. And she's going to get the money. And it will go right into her bank account. Anyways, guys, hopefully that helps someone. I just wanted to share that with you if you'd never done it before. It's great to share money with people for different reasons. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.